Hi, Steve and Michelle. This is Jason Lee here. I'm just making this video for you to give you some information and kind of show you a little bit about what I do and what I found out about your website. This over here that I'm scrolling on is a mobile-friendly test that's put out by Google. This is what Google sees your website as on a mobile device. Last year there was a Google update that now penalizes non-mobile friendly websites as far as ranking goes. So anybody who hasn't converted over to a mobile friendly or mobile responsive theme kind of gets put to the back of the line, and it's really hard to rank and get your business seen within the Google search engine. So basically this is what it looks like. Here I have your website pulled up. So it looks pretty much the same. It's just a miniature version over here. What I did was I went and took what I could off of your website. Let's get rid of that. I took what I could off your website, your branding, kind of added some pictures, kind of cleaned it up a little bit. One thing that I always do is put an instant quote dead center right here, front and center. So when someone does come on your website, they fill this out and it gets emailed to you. So they become a lead and you can call them back and book some business. So basically everything's kind of, I used some of these pictures that I had because I couldn't find a bunch of pictures on your website, but this is kind of what I do as far as making mobile friendly websites. We can keep your branding or kind of make something new that's a little bit sharper looking. But the big point I wanted to make was what this side by side here. Now this is what your website could look on a mobile device, could look like. There's a nice call to action. This click to call will be linked to your business phone, so they just tap that and they'll call you. The text is nice and big. It's very easy to use. Click this button. You can get all to your pages, the different pages that you want. Excuse me. So here we go. This is your content that I just took off of your website. Here's another click to call. Here's another form that they can fill out at the end, which most people don't fill that out on their mobile device, but that's kind of why we put that at the bottom. On the desktop, it's right in your face right here, so people will fill that out. They're not going to click to call from the desktop necessarily. If we go back to the mobile, you can see it's just really super clean, and people just love mobile responsive websites like this now, where they can just click to call, and it just brings a lot more business into your funnel. So basically this is what I just wanted to kind of showcase what I can do and how good it looks, and just some tips and just some education for you guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed this. Hopefully I can hear from you soon. My email and my phone number and website are on the bottom of that email that I sent you. So enjoy this, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.